If you're a barbecue enthusiast looking to elevate your grilling game, this Traeger Grills Pro 780 electric wood pellet grill and smoker is a top contender. Combining the convenience of modern technology with the traditional appeal of wood-fired cooking, this grill offers an unparalleled experience. In this review, we'll dive into the features that make the Traeger Pro 780 a must-have for any serious griller, and why it stands out in a crowded market. One of the defining features of the Traeger Pro 780 is its wood pellet system. Unlike gas or charcoal grills, wood pellets provide a unique, smoky flavor that's hard to replicate. The Pro 780 simplifies the process, allowing you to enjoy the rich taste of wood-fired food without the hassle. Never settle for ordinary. Experience the extraordinary flavors of wood-fired cooking with the Traeger Pro 780. The Traeger Pro 780 is equipped with the D2 Pro controller, which offers precise temperature control. Simply set the dial to your desired temperature, hit ignite, and let the grill do the rest. The controller ensures consistent heat distribution, which is crucial for achieving perfect results every time. Say goodbye to guesswork. With precise temperature control, the Traeger Pro 780 ensures every meal is cooked to perfection. One of the standout features of the Pro 780 is its Wi-Fi technology. This feature connects the grill to your home Wi-Fi, allowing you to control the grill via the Traeger app. You can adjust temperatures, monitor food, and set timers and alerts, all from your smartphone. This level of connectivity means you can manage your cooking even when you're not near the grill. Control your grill from anywhere with Wi-Fi technology. Grilling has never been this smart. The Traeger Pro 780 offers 6-1 versatility, allowing you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and BBQ all on the same grill. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for those who love experimenting with different cooking methods. Whether you're grilling steaks, smoking ribs, or baking a pizza, the Pro 780 can handle it all. Unlock endless culinary possibilities with the Traeger Pro 780. One grill, 6 functions, countless delicious meals. With 780 square inches of grilling space, the Pro 780 is perfect for large family gatherings or backyard parties. You can comfortably fit 34 burgers, 6 rib racks, or 6 chickens at once. This generous capacity means you can cook multiple items simultaneously, saving time and effort. Host the ultimate BBQ party. The Traeger Pro 780's large cooking capacity ensures you can feed a crowd with ease. The built-in meat probe allows you to monitor the internal temperature of your food without lifting the lid. This feature ensures that your meat is cooked to perfection, whether you prefer it rare, medium, or well done. It's a handy tool for achieving precise cooking results every time. Achieve perfect doneness with the built-in meat probe. No more guesswork, just perfectly cooked meat every time. The porcelain grill grates make cleanup a breeze. The non-stick surface ensures that food residues don't cling to the grates, and any leftover grease or drippings can be easily wiped away. This feature saves you time and effort, making post-cooking cleanup quick and hassle-free. Spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning up. The Traeger Pro 780's porcelain grill grates make maintenance effortless. The Traeger Pro series is renowned for its quality and performance, making it the best-selling pellet grill on the market. The Pro 780's upgraded D2 drivetrain ensures faster startup times, quicker heat up, and superior smoke quality. These enhancements make the Pro 780 a reliable and efficient choice for any grilling enthusiast. Trust the market leader. The Traeger Pro 780's advanced features and proven performance make it a top choice for grilling enthusiasts. Conclusion: the Traeger Grills Pro 780 electric wood pellet grill and smoker is a game-changer for both novice and seasoned grillers. Its combination of wood-fired flavor, precise temperature control, and smart technology offers a grilling experience like no other. With its versatile cooking options and large capacity, it's perfect for any occasion, from family dinners to backyard parties. Invest in the Traeger Pro 780 today and elevate your grilling to a whole new level. Enjoy the perfect blend of tradition and technology, and savor the unmatched flavors of wood-fired cooking. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.